Well, I got this Edison box fan here. I picked this up at the thrift store, same place I pick up most of the stuff that appears on this channel. Maybe not the same exact place, it's a lot of different thrift stores, but anyway, I picked this up for $7.50. It was 50% off day. It was marked at 15 bucks. I figured with the discount, probably couldn't go wrong, especially since I plugged it in the store and determined that all the speeds were indeed working. I actually got it plugged in right now. I'll show you. Got the knob up top with the almost impossible to read labels, just kind of carved into the metal here. This is, despite the fake wood grain finish, this is actually metal of all things. So it starts at low. Hope this isn't going to create a ton of wind noise here. Takes it a little while to get going. There's medium. And this thing, interestingly, doesn't move nearly as much air as the amount of noise it makes would suggest. And there's the high setting. This vibrates a heck of a lot. I had it running before. I think I could actually hear it downstairs vibrating the ceiling on the floor below. So yeah. There's the switch up there. The labeling on the handle is in pretty good shape. Overall, this thing's in pretty good shape. It just has that one little bit missing out of the grill on the front here. The metal here feels almost a bit rough or sticky or something. Probably have to clean it. If we turn around the back here, it's just very basic, different style grill on the back though. And I noticed something interesting a moment ago. I was looking at this label on the motor, and I hope you can see that in there, but that says Toastmaster Incorporated, of all companies. Toastmaster, thermally protected, type 123B, as the usual voltage ratings and whatnot. It's rated at 1 amp. But yeah, it's definitely not the name I would have expected to see on that. It's got this little straw up there. I assume that's used to oil the thing, which I might want to see about doing, because I'm sure that has not been done to it. But yeah, it's a very simple unit. I'll probably try and take this apart a bit, see if I can clean it out. So yeah, let's see where I can get with that. Well, here I got the back taken off the fan. You see the motor is attached to this panel here. I went ahead and just kind of left that panel on, that grill on, just because it didn't really need much. Just got some dust on it, and that's pretty much it. But on this side, got the motor out, took the blades off, cleaned those up. Here you can get a better look at that label, though you might have to turn your head upside down. See, it does indeed say Toastmaster Inc. on it. I did get some oil into this straw, though it was spinning pretty freely before, but certainly if it had any hint of not spinning freely before, it certainly doesn't now. It is spinning pretty nice. Well, it's easier to see if I put the blade back on. The blade's just a friction fit on this. Careful not to bend that. But you'll see, seems to have no trouble spinning freely. And that again is after I got some oil into that straw, but it was doing that pretty well before too. So yeah, that's what we got here. You see the wires are kind of tied in, so it was kind of a pain in the butt to do this, but to get it kind of flipped around like this, but it worked. So let me try and put this back together, and we'll see what we got. See if we have any improvement. Well, I got the thing back together again. Cleaned up the motor, blades, etc. So now I'll go ahead and try to power it on. Well, again, low is the first fan speed. It's running about the same as it did before, but then again, I don't think it was running badly before. I mean, it was running fine. But I did notice another interesting problem. We're on medium right now. Now it's on high. I don't notice much, if any, difference there. So, I'm wondering if the high speed is not actually working. So, it's probably going to be something to look into. I'll have to do some research on that. See if, and maybe look at it a little more closely, see if I notice any difference. I don't think I notice anything. So yeah, I'll have to look into that, but that's probably going to be the subject of another video. So for now, here it is, the Edison box fan. Definitely pretty usable, at least on the lower speeds. I'll have to look into why the high speed's not working, but for now, I guess that'll be it. So thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for more.